Introducing Bexify Swap, a decentralized exchange and memes aggregator. Hey guys, in this video we're going to be taking a look at Bexify Swap, a new decentralized exchange and memes aggregator built for the Patex L2 Network. What is Bexify Swap? Bexify Swap is a platform that brings together various meme worlds, providing access to different content and opportunities. They also offer a decentralized exchange where you can trade coins, memes, and earn in seconds on the new safe decentralized platform just by connecting a wallet. No registration needed. Why should you use Bexify Swap? There are many reasons why you should use Bexify Swap, including: it's decentralized and secure. It's easy to use. There are no fees. You can earn passive income with your holdings. You can participate in the governance of the platform. What is the BEXY token? The BEXY token is the native token of the Bexify Swap ecosystem. It's used for a variety of purposes, including paying for fees on the exchange, staking to earn rewards, participating in governance, unlocking additional features. How can you get BEXY tokens? You can get BEXY tokens by participating in the community presale, liquidity mining, or airdrops. We think Bexify Swap is a great new platform that offers a lot of potential. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out their website or join their Telegram group. What do you think of Bexify Swap? Let us know in the comments below.